Start.
Hi everyone, this is Kyati of 9th S2. First, I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Today, I want to act as a biology teacher, Aruna ma'am. Today, our topic is cell. What is a cell? A cell is a basic structural and functional unit of the organisms. A group of cells make an organ. The group of organs make an organic system. An organic system make a life. So, let us discuss about a cell. What the organelles present in a cell are nucleus, cytoplasm, ribosomes, lysosomes, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, plastids, chloroplast. These are the organelles present in a cell, whether it is plant cell or animal cell. Only these organelles are present. So now let us discuss about a plant cell and animal cell. Even if our human body is also contains a number of cells. If there is a no cell, there is a no life. So first we'll discuss about a plant cell. A plant cell, in a plant cell and animal cell, there are some similarities and there are some differences. First of all, we'll discuss about the similarities between a plant cell and animal cell. The similarities between plant cell and animal cell are nucleus, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus. These are the similarities between a plant cell and animal cell. So now let us discuss about the differences. The differences between plant cell and animal cell are the major difference is in a plant cell the cell wall will act as the outermost layer. Hence we can say that the cell wall is the outermost layer in a plant cell. Whereas in animal cell the plasma membrane will act as the outermost layer. Hence we can say that the plasma membrane. Also we can say that it's cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outermost layer in an animal cell. Apart from this, there are other some differences in a plant cell and animal cell. So let us discuss. Other difference is the large sized vacuole and taking up to 90% of total volume and filled with watery fluid. I mean that in a plant cell there will be a vacuole and it will be filled with 90% of volume with watery fluid. Whereas in animal cell, there will be also a vacuole, but it will be so smaller than compared with a plant cell. A vacuole is so larger in size in a plant cell, whereas a vacuole is smaller in size in animal cell. And other difference is chloroplast. Chloroplast is present in a plant cell. With the chloroplast, the plant cell can prepare its own food. But in animal cell, the chloroplast is absent, so animal cell cannot prepare its own food. This is the difference. And other difference is lysosomes are not evident in a plant cell, but they are evident in a cytoplasm which is present in an animal cell. So lysosomes are not present in a plant cell, but they are present in a cytoplasm which is present in animal cell. These are the differences and similarities between a plant cell and animal cell. The cell is most important part in a plant or animal or a human being. The cell will be played a most important role in a human body. In our human body also there will be a number of cells which we cannot even count and which we cannot see. And even in our human body also the same will be there. In a plant cell, in animal cell, these are the differences and similarities. So thank you to all my teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you.